Did you know that your nails can be the ultimate expression of love this Valentine's Day? Let's create a stunning nail design that will turn heads. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel and a special welcome to all the newbies joining us for the first time. Today we're diving into a step-by-step tutorial using the CANNI Gel to achieve the perfect Valentine's Day nails that are both beautiful and easy to recreate. I'm super excited to unbox and review the new CANNI collection, featuring 9 ml bottles in a set of 6 pieces. Plus, I'll be recreating a stunning Pinterest nail design for this tutorial. I'll be sure to leave a link to all the products used in today's video, as well as a link to the Pinterest design in the description box below. So let's get started. I've noticed many of you have struggled with gel polish application in the past, especially with CANNI Gel. Finding the right nail design that captures the spirit of Valentine's Day while being manageable to do at home can be challenging. But don't worry, I've got you covered with a detailed step-by-step tutorial. First, let's take a look at what's inside the CANNI collection. We have 6 stunning shades perfect for Valentine's Day. We'll explore the materials needed like a nail file, buffer, base coat, and top coat. I'll also share techniques for applying CANNI Gel seamlessly and give tips on how to incorporate heart designs and romantic colors into your nails. Trust me, with these tips, you'll master the application in no time. Alright, now for the moment we've all been waiting for, the final reveal. Look at these gorgeous nails. The intricate heart designs and romantic colors come together to create a stunning Valentine's Day look. I'm absolutely in love with how these turned out, and I hope you are too. In summary, we've transformed simple nails into a beautiful Valentine's Day masterpiece using the CANNI Gel collection. This look is perfect for any romantic occasion. Remember, practice makes perfect, and with these tips, you'll be a pro in no time. If you loved this tutorial, make sure to give it a thumbs up, comment below with your favorite nail designs, and check out my other videos for more nail art inspiration. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. See you next time!